you're not careful in this oppressive heat, you could end up at the hospital. Emergency departments filling up with patients dealing with heat-related problems, health problems. News 8's Jocelyn Mementa live in News 8 Control tonight with more on how you can avoid the hospital. Jocelyn.
Sonia, I spent some time at the emergency department at Hartford Hospital today where they were dealing with cases of heat exhaustion and the more potentially deadly heat stroke. The hot and humid conditions led Jorge Medina to get treated for heat exhaustion. No longer dehydrated, the landscaper is feeling much better. Jorge was at work at 8:30 this morning when symptoms set in.
After an hour and a half worth of work outside, it really got to me, and that's what made me come to the hospital because I hyperventilated, kept losing my breathing. Drank plenty of water and Gatorade, but I guess just being outside at that high temperature, you lose a lot of water, and this is what happens.
And a lot of people will get exposed to heat. It'll exacerbate their illnesses. They may not even have heat exhaustion, but if they have diabetes, it'll make their diabetes worse. If they have chronic lung disease, the air will be bad, they'll get worse.
Dr. Smalley is the medical director of the emergency department. With the weather conditions expected to linger throughout the week, he expects to see an increase in the number of people coming in with heat-related conditions. That's why we all need to stay hydrated, especially if you work outdoors, and try to stay in air-conditioned areas if you can. Also, check in with elderly neighbors in case they may need help. Sonia?